So today I am going to explain about the solving for gear geometry and kinematics. So first problem. A pinion is designed with 30 teeth and a module of 5 millimeter. Then calculate the pitch circle diameter and the pitch circle radius of the pinion. So we have the given for number of teeth 30 and then modulus of 5 mm. So to solve for diameter, we just multiply the modulus and the number of teeth, which is 5 times 30. Then we can get the diameter of 150 mm. So for formula for the radius, we all know that radius is times 2 for diameter. So by this, we can simplify out to have radius equals diameter over 2, which is 150 divided 2 is 75 mm. So radius now is 75 mm. For the number 2, a gear drive consists of a pinion with 30 teeth and a gear ratio of 100 teeth. If the pinion rotates at speed of 900 rpm, calculate the velocity ratio of the drive and the resulting speed of the gear in rpm. So we have the given of number of teeth 30 and the number of given is 100, then the speed of 900 rpm. So to get the velocity ratio, we just need to divide the number 100 and number of teeth 30. Then we can get the answer of 3.3. So for the gear ratio, we just multiply the number of RPM, then we just need to multiply the RPM with number of teeth from pinion, which is 30, divided by number of gear teeth, which is 100. Then we can get the answer of 270 RPM. That's all.